Hi, to set up Hotspot on your POCO X7 Pro, we just need to open settings on the phone and then find more connectivity options. After that, you can immediately find portable hotspot. So simply select it, and before turning it on, we can set it up. So let's do it. I'm gonna tap here, and firstly we can rename it. And after that, we can also change password. By the way, if you tap this eye icon, you'll be able to actually view your password. So let's choose something more simple. I'm gonna enter from 1 to 8 because we need to enter at least a digit password. The next thing we can adjust is security. So if you don't have a password, then you can choose none. If you got not so complicated password like in my case, then choose second option. And if you got complicated password, choose third option. Here you can switch between portable hotspot and default, but I suggest you to leave portable hotspot, and you can select AP bands. So we got two options, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. If you are not sure what is supported on other devices, try setting it to 5 GHz. If the device you are connecting to does not see the network, it means it does not support 5 GHz, and you'll just switch to this first option. And here you can also choose to hide name of your hotspot. But this is not so comfortable for me, so I'm gonna just leave it that way with visible name. And now let's tap check mark to save the changes. After that, we can also see this one-time data limit. You can enable it, but as you can see, we need to turn on Wi-Fi first. So let's swipe down from the upper right corner and disable Wi-Fi. Now we can enable this feature and here choose one of those two options. Let's go back, and here we can also enable turn off hotspot automatically when no devices are connected. I suggest you to enable it because it consumes a lot of battery power, so enable this feature. And then we can also see this supports 6th generation standard, so you can try to enable it and check what will happen. And also you can enable here Bluetooth tethering to share this phone's internet connection via Bluetooth, not via Wi-Fi settings. And here we can manage devices. So let's tap it and we can set actually limit of connected devices. So I'm gonna choose 2 devices. And also we got this block list. So if you wanna block any device, you can tap here add. Then find it in this list and tap this save button. Great, now let's go back and enable portable hotspot. And now you can see that hotspot is on, the switcher lights up blue, so the feature is working. Also, you can swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, tap on edit button and find your hotspot here, either in system toggles or in app toggles. I got it in system toggles, so you can find it right here. And I'm gonna add it to my control center by tapping this green plus and tap the check mark to confirm. And now when you see that it lights up blue, then hotspot is enabled. If it's gray, then hotspot is off. Now let's try this out. So, to connect to this phone's network, I need to take my other device, open its settings. Let me just add brightness. And here we need to find Wi-Fi tab. Now tap on the switcher to turn on Wi-Fi. And after that, in the list of networks, you should see your POCO X7 Pro. So let's just wait a couple of seconds till we can actually see it. And yep, here it is. I'm gonna just select it, and now we need to enter password. As you remember, I created from 1 to 8. So let's enter it and tap this join button. And then after a few seconds, we'll be joined to this phone's network. So you can see the check mark and you can see this chain icon, meaning we are connected to another phone's network. Also, you can see this chain icon on your POCO X7 Pro, meaning that one device is connected or more than one. And of course, don't forget to disable your personal hotspot when you don't need it because it consumes a lot of battery. And yep, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.